Hey gang, how you going? Welcome. Just a quick vid today. No, Action Man isn't waterproof, but the Moin Sports LED light is. Apparently 10 meters this baby will go down to. So I'm not going to drop it 10 meters, I'm just going to drop it about 3-4 centimeters. See actually if this thing is waterproof. So check out the links below, guys, where you can get this little baby from. Yeah, around 50 bucks. Absolute bargain. Stick it on your drone. Scuba diving, underwater, RC, tow, tons of applications. So it's really cool. You can set it to flash. You can set it to go normal. You can have cold light. You can have warm light. Yeah, hey, the sky is really the limit here. You can turn the warm light off. You can have little adapters on here. Check out my last video regarding this sports LED. I'm not going to explain it in detail, but yeah, she's pretty cool. She's on a red light for this effect. Slots down there, and yeah, we have a red light. Anyway, let's get to it. Let's see if this little sports LED unit is in fact, yeah, waterproof. Let's go to flash, and let's go to splash. Wish me luck. Give it a stir. Release the magnet. Oh, that water's cold. Not too sure how long I should keep it down there for, but I'm actually going to say this is a success. I reckon she is waterproof. 10 meters. And again, it's controlled by Bluetooth on your mobile device, so yeah, you can just do whatever you want it to do with that. Let's speed up the flashing a bit. We can do some Morse code. All sorts of hoo-ha. It's really cool. And there you have it. The Moin Sports LED. It says 10 meters.
Don't really get that warm, so hopefully the fogging effect won't occur in the glass, but I'll have a look at that shortly. I think that's pretty much busted. What do you reckon, actually? I reckon she's waterproof. Let's do it.
Okay, let's move that out of the way. Take the cover off. Turn it down because it's actually blinding me. This thing's really bright.
Just have a bit of warm light going there.
So you can see there's a tiny bit of clouding effect happening there. Let's turn it back on again. And look, that is to be expected. Moisture lasts for. So look, there is a bit of moisturising happening in there. Don't know if that... As long as it doesn't stay there for a long time, I'll see if I can burn it off. And oh yeah, it's disappearing. So yeah, look, there's a bit of moisture in there, which I suppose is to be expected. And I suspect that it is plastic. Oh no, that's glass actually. That's probably why it's getting that frosting. So it's glass there. Look, in time that may affect the LEDs inside. However, I don't think it's going to be an issue. It's already disappearing as we speak. So no, I'm willing to say that's a success. So I'm willing to say, yeah, go ahead. Check out the link below if you do some scuba diving, or you fly some drones, or you just want to stick this on something for some light at night, or some party lights, or some mood lights, or whatever. This is the light for you. Mirfak MOIN Sports LED. Link in the description. Thumbs up, guys. Drop us a comment. Otherwise, yeah, see you in the drink. Bye for now. a landing. Up a load of that.